Right, so today we are going to be cooking some quinoa, how to cook quinoa, and we tend to follow the Dr. Sebi way of cooking, which is the Dr. Sebi methodology. So if this is the first time on our channel, welcome to our channel. And what we do here, we tend to mainly cook foods that are alkaline foods. Quinoa is one of the grains that we use. There are two types of quinoa that we tend to use. This is the white quinoa and the red one. So today we're using the white quinoa. We're going to be cooking it, and we're going to show you how to cook quinoa, one of the ways in which to cook it. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to wash the quinoa, because it's one of, you have to make sure that you, right, as we're saying, we need to wash the quinoa thoroughly and ensure that it's you get off the coating on the quinoa itself. It tends to have if you notice, the water have got this kind of soapy texture with lots of what looks like soap salt at the top of the quinoa. So you want to make sure you give it a thorough wash. I tend to wash it probably 2 times, and then before I start to cook it. So as you can see, I wash it thoroughly, and gonna use one of these So I've added the water to the quinoa. What I tend to do is the same amount of quinoa in the pot, I put a similar amount of water just above the quinoa. So it's like, looks like it tends to look like twice the amount. And what I also tend to do is to use some seasonings to season it up, because quinoa doesn't have one of the most pleasant taste. So today I'm going to put some tarragon, a little bit of tarragon inside. Just to give it a pleasant taste. And yep, I'm also going to put some oregano. A little bit of cayenne pepper. As I said, it's one of the grains we tend to use, and then you can have it with whatever you want to have it with. I'm going to put a bit of sea salt, and everything we use is what was recommended by Dr. Sebi. And even to the pots we use, if you notice, the pots I'm using, they're stainless steel. We don't use any aluminium or non-stick, because those can be harmful for your health. The whole purpose of this channel is to help people to live healthy and to eat the kind of food that is going to help them to reverse any kind of illnesses that they have. By eating, you can eat your way to good health, and that's the whole purpose of this channel. So along the way, you're going to find that we're covering different tips along the way in living the Dr. Sebi methodology and the alkaline way of living. Because the whole purpose of this channel is for persons to have an alkaline life, or this is also for persons who live a vegan life. They can eat this as well, these kind of foods, and it will definitely help you with reversing most illnesses. If you follow it very carefully, you will definitely get results. So keep working at it. I encourage you. Like our videos, share our videos, subscribe to our channel. We aim to bring videos to you 3 times per week. So do enjoy our videos. Leave some good comments. Let us know what progress you're making along the way. And yeah, this quinoa here, I will leave it to cook for about between 15 to 18 minutes. So we'll be back when it's all done. So yes, do make sure that when you put it on the stove, it's between medium to high heat, and cook for about between 15 to 18 minutes, and then we can fluff it after. But we will see how it comes out.
Okay, so
right, so
in order of
we got to 18 minutes now, as you can see.
okay. Then you got
Almost there.
a lot of people really undervalue
And fluff it up with a fork.
their knowledge in their hobbies, interests, passions, things like that.
Just gonna leave it for a few more minutes.
Who work with go back a while. And Robin.
So the quinoa is now all finished. I'm just gonna leave it to cool for about 5 minutes, and then I'll take it out. So the quinoa is now all finished. I'm going to take out some. See how it's nice and fluffy. All ready. So you can have this with whatever vegetables you want to have it with. You can also use this as a salad. We'll do another recipe at some point. Just let me know in the comments below what type of alkaline recipes you'd like to see, and I'll try my utmost to ensure that I deliver. But this is the quinoa all cooked. It is one of the grains that will help you to live a healthy life, and to, able to recover from most kind of illnesses that you may encounter. So there you have it, your quinoa. All ready to eat. So do enjoy. Come to our channel. At least we post videos 3 times per week. So if you want to see more of our videos, and if this was any good to you, let me know, and come for more videos like this. Do enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to let us know what type of alkaline recipes you want to see. Until, bye.